Nice!
Alright, that was good.
What up, this is Nick Strickler. This is my video bike check. It's pretty sick. It's a Colt Complete. Yeah, I'm working on it. Alright, so I'm going to start out with the handy bars. They're pretty dope. They're stock. ODI grips. Hoffman bar ends. I won at Woodward. Yeah. I think I won them in the high jump. You know, I got 4 feet. My friend only got 2, you know. Love that sticker. Animal sticker, you know, I got the stock. Fit. Top load. Sick. I want an animal, you know. It's animal front loads. And if animal makes a top load, I'd love that. But you know, I'm good. FSA, impact headset. Everyone has them. Pretty dope. Stock forks. Stock rim, stock hub. Giant tube, you know. Popped it at Woodward. Oh no, that's in the back tire, I think. Yeah. Animal butcher pegs. Odyssey tire in the front. Odyssey in the back. Odyssey's logo, whatever. Sun rims, under stock. I used to have a Colt Rasta stem. That's why I have the Rasta sprocket. Yeah, I traded it though. Odyssey twisted pedals. They don't have a lot of grip. I don't really like them. My sprocket's a 28 tooth. I like to ride the bigger sprocket because you go faster, more speed. Not that great for trails though. My chain's loose right now because we screwed around yesterday. And got a Colt half link, pretty sick. And butcher peg, broke it. Yeah, animal seat post, stock frame of course, stock cranks, stock back hub. The seat I really like in stock, so I'm gonna keep it forever. Got my new back rim. It's pretty sick. It's gonna be right here. It's a left side drive, so I gotta switch everything over. Got new cranks too. Animal hub. Animal logo. Animal, yeah. ASM. Pretty boss. Sick. I can't wait to ride it. Gotta pump it up. Got some new cranks too. Left side drive. Salt cranks. Pretty dope. Yeah. Old bike. His bike.